Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open your Samsung tablet and unlock it to the home screen. Open Settings and scroll to Software Update to access update controls. Tap Software Update and then tap Auto Download over Wi-Fi to reveal options. Toggle Auto Download over Wi-Fi off so updates stop downloading automatically. Next, open the Google Play Store app and access settings to check app updates. Turn off Auto Update apps to prevent automatic app installs after system updates. Return to Software Update settings and tap Notify when new updates are available. Toggle that notification option off to stop prominent update alerts and banners. Go to Settings, then Apps to list all apps installed on your tablet. Use the menu to show System Apps and find Software Update in that list. Select Software Update and choose Notifications, then turn notifications off and restrict background data to further stop automatic downloads. Open the Google Play Store and tap your profile to reach settings quickly. Select Network Preferences, then Auto Update Apps and choose Don't Auto Update Apps. Return to Settings, Apps, and locate Software Update to stop that system process immediately. If Disable is available, tap Disable to prevent future runs until re-enabled later. For advanced users, use ADB with USB debugging enabled to disable the update package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.